Delilah was a woman, she was fine and fair. She had good looks and cool black hair. Delilah, she gained ground on Samson's mind. When he saw this woman, she looked so fine. Delilah, she climbed up on Samson's knee, said, tell me where your strength lies, if you please. Then she spoke so kind and she talked so fair, till Samson said, Delilah, cut off my hair, you can shave my head clean as my hand, and my strength becomes as natural as any man. If I had my way, if I had my way, if I had my way, I'd burn this whole building down. People read about old Samson as far back as his birth. He was the strongest man that ever lived on earth. One day while Samson's walking along, looked down on the ground and saw an old jawbone. And he stretched out his arms and his chains broke like thread. When he got to move, 10,000 men